everyone. It's dinner time. We are having roast dinner tonight. So grab your fork, your knife. Come closer. Come and share with me. We are having roast dinner, as you can see. Let me get started with gravy and chicken. It's so yummy. Roast dinner. I have some veg. Carrot is here. As you can see, I'm real African, real Nigerian. See my bottle of Fanta to digest it with. It's so nice. My chicken. Yummy. Guys, hurry up, come fast. Come and join with me. Roast dinner tonight. I'm leaving you guys for now. While waiting, bye.